In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your GitHub profile picture. This is a quick way to personalize your GitHub profile and keep your account looking up to date. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Profile. On your profile page, click your current profile picture. Next, look for the Edit option and click it. From the options that appear, select Upload a photo. Now, choose the image you want to use from your computer and click Open. Once the image has finished uploading, you'll see a preview of your new profile picture. Finally, click Set New Profile Picture to save the changes. Your new profile picture will now appear across your GitHub profile and activity. That's how to change your GitHub profile picture. Thanks for watching.